I have a question for you. If you were stranded in a car and you could only take 3 tools, what are the 3 tools that you would take? Here's what I would take. But first, once we hit 500 subscribers, we'll be doing a giveaway. And if we hit it by the holidays, I'll double it. In order for you to qualify, you just need to be a subscriber of the channel. Go ahead and leave a like and comment down below. My first tool that I would take would be the power probe. And the reason for that is because it helps me diagnose electrical issues extremely fast. But I mainly use this especially on retracting emergency parking brakes due to the fact that a lot of these new cars, putting them into service mode just becomes a headache. And this allows me to skip all of that and just retract it whenever I need it to. The second tool that I would take would be the scan tool. The reason for that is because this makes diagnosing check engine light crucial. And without it, I wouldn't know where to start or what's even wrong sometimes. Lastly, the third thing that I would take is my cordless impact wrench. And the reason for that is it allows me to take off both big and small bolts in the fraction of the time compared to if I would have been using a ratchet. You can also take off lug nuts off of a tire with this little thing as well. And I know I did say that there are only 3 tools, but I'm going to give you the bonus, which is a fourth. The fourth will be my brain. Why? Because without my brain and without the knowledge, I would not know where to start and how to fix a car properly. The biggest thing I want you to take away from this, guys, is you are your biggest advocate. Stay hungry to learn, because if you don't do it, no one will do it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next one.